guys, finally we have received a parcel from India and I am so damn excited and I'm very excited to see it. We did had a little incident, a big one actually. Our parcel got split into 2 boxes and I am able to get only box number 1 and box number 2 is like half destroyed thanks to the butter. Never bring butter in courier. So now I'm going to open the first box that I have received. I somehow managed to get it home all by myself. It was damn heavy and you know I just can't breathe right now. And there's my box there. Ronak is having an online class so I wouldn't be able to record anything outside, but yeah, let's see what we have.
I'm here alone. My wife and my daughter come to here to Brazil.
So finally I have unpacked box number 1 and now let's see what do we have inside. So our packing accident are supposed to happen. Our save packet busted and wafer even for the you. So let's see what do we have. We have shoes for Ronak. Just so shoes for Ronak, lots and lots of khakra. We have 2 different varieties of khakra, but again one dabba is pending. And what do we have here? Immunity boosting medicine for corona. It's good actually. Marchana papad, save. Like I said, save एक packet फाटी गયું છે. So this is the one in culprit, you see. I don't know हमारू parcel कोई खाधु हશે on the way, but we have lots of wafer, chakri, soya chakri, butter chakri, mari wafer, chawanu, puri, yellow wafer, bundi. This is called sev bundi 1, sev bundi 2, वो बदी मैगी. Masala Singh for dabeli, vada for Ronak, specially for Ronak we have this vada. माँ का प्यार रौनक, माँ का प्यार तो चालू पण થઈ ગયો અત્યારથી. Oh God, this boy. ખાખરાની ચૂરી price. I'm so excited to make this. પૌવાનો ચેવડો, બહુ બધી ચા. Then we have Gits gulab jamun and basundi, waffy Jim Jam biscuits, Girnar, lots of Girnar tea again, lots of cha, urdu packet coffee. So funny. Then jeeru, marchu, dhana, jeeru, singni chutney, ajmo, sanchad. This is dokla no lot, and this is lapsi no lot. Everest chaat masala, A1 masala. Oh my God, this you have to see. We got mixed fruit jam from Macpro, and when you open, what happens? Ta-da!
Chundo.
Chundo moiklo jama. Frankie, Ronak's favorite, मेथी मटर मलाई. કાલે અમારા પર્યુષણનું અત્તરવાયણું થવાનું છે મેથી મટર મલાઈથી. And then we have lots of cheese. Anything to say, Ronak?
This is not lots of cheese. This is like 2 pieces of cheese for you. Not for me.
He is who he is. But thank you so much for box 1 and we're really waiting for box 2. Let's see. Earphones બરાબર આવે છે કે નહીં અને કેટલું ડેમેજ થઈ ગયું, વી ડોન્ટ નો. તો હવે અમને કાલે કે પરમ દિવસે જ ખબર પડશે કે કેટલી વસ્તુ અમારા હાથમાં આવે છે અને કેટલી વસ્તુ બરબાદ થઈ ગઈ.